Imagine you're faced with a database problem where you need to establish a 0 or 1 to 0 or 1 relationship between two tables, like the example of calls and files. You want the ability to delete a call and have its associated file be deleted as well. But if a file is deleted, the call should remain unaffected. How can you achieve this behavior using SQL constraints without resorting to triggers or events? That's the dilemma at hand. The solution to this problem involves creating two tables, calls and files. In the calls table, you define a primary key field call_ID as serial primary key, along with any other relevant fields. The files table also has a primary key field file_ID as serial primary key and a foreign key field call_ID that references calls, call_ID, with the onDelete cascade option. This setup ensures that deleting a row in the calls table will automatically delete the associated file, while deleting a file row will not impact the call row. The unique constraint on call_ID in the files table prevents multiple files from being associated with a single call. This straightforward approach effectively handles the desired database relationship. In summary, the best practice for implementing a 0 or 1 to 0 or 1 relationship in a database scenario, like the one discussed, is to create separate calls and files tables with the appropriate foreign key constraints. By following this approach, you can ensure the desired cascading delete behavior while maintaining the independence of calls and files. And with that, we wrap up our discussion on solving this database problem. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Happy coding!